Ever wondered why flights don't just take off the moment passengers board? What's keeping the crew busy during that time? The answer lies in a critical process known as the pre-flight checks. Pre-flight checks are comprehensive inspections conducted before every flight to ensure the aircraft's safety and airworthiness. These checks involve a meticulous examination of various systems, components, and conditions that could influence the aircraft's performance. Initially, the exterior of the aircraft undergoes a visual inspection. The pilots or maintenance crew look for any signs of damage, leaks, or irregularities on the fuselage, wings, tail, and engine nacelles. They check the condition of the landing gear, tires, and brakes. Control surfaces come next. All control surfaces, including ailerons, elevators, and rudders, must be free from obstruction and move smoothly. The integrity of control cables, hydraulic lines, and actuators is also verified. The fuel system is another crucial aspect. The fuel quantity is confirmed, and the crew ensures that the fuel caps are securely fastened. They check for any contamination or water in the fuel tanks and inspect fuel lines, pumps, and valves for any signs of leaks or damage. The electrical system is then checked to ensure the proper functioning of lights, navigation equipment, communication radios, and essential avionics. Battery voltage and generator output are also monitored. For aircraft with hydraulic systems, fluid levels and pressures are checked to ensure the correct operation of landing gear, flaps, and other hydraulic-powered components. Engine inspection involves looking for signs of damage, leaks, or foreign object debris. The crew checks oil levels, engine mounts, and exhaust components. They also verify the integrity of engine cowling and inlet areas. The flight controls are checked for integrity and proper operation. The crew confirms that control linkages are secure and free from excessive play. Avionics and instruments, including altimeters, airspeed indicators, and navigation displays, are checked for accuracy and functionality. The crew verifies that backup systems are operational in case of primary instrument failure. Emergency equipment, such as fire extinguishers, life vests, and emergency exits, must be readily accessible and in working condition. The crew also confirms the availability of survival gear for overwater flights. Finally, the flight crew reviews the aircraft's logbooks, maintenance records, and flight manuals to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and proper documentation of maintenance and inspections. With pre-flight checks completed, the pilots start the engines and taxi to the designated runway. The aircraft lines up with the runway centerline, and the pilots increase engine power for takeoff. At a predetermined speed, the pilot pulls back on the control yoke or stick, raising the nose of the aircraft for liftoff. In summary, pre-flight checks are an essential safety measure in aviation. They ensure that every component of the aircraft is functioning correctly, and any potential issues are identified and addressed before takeoff. This process is crucial in maintaining the high safety standards in the aviation industry and ensuring passengers reach their destinations safely.